Welcome to the south of Netherlands, where today we had the pleasure to work together with DSV.
We see that cycle counting at night is an inefficient process. By automating our operations, we try to eliminate the human error, increase the quality in our process, and helping our customers achieving their goals.
Today it was really interesting to see how they set up the system and how this drone came to fly and what they can actually do and what the data looks like in the end. You can see our customers, they start to ask about new technologies and new ways to optimize our product.